Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Windows search bar not working on Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to press Windows key and R key together and type services.msc. Press enter. Find a Windows search service. Just double click on it. Startup type set to automatic and select apply and start the service. And select OK to save changes and just to close stuff here. Press Ctrl Shift plus Escape key to open up Task Manager. In Task Manager, search Windows Explorer, search for it. Select the Windows Explorer and select Restart Task. And now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, then you just need to search for Search Service. Just try to go on the Search Service and select End Task. And now you just need to open up the search bar and check if the problem solved or not. If not, then method 3, you just need to open up Task Manager and go to details and search host.exe. Just right click on it and select end task and now you just need to close it up here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4, you just need to press Windows key and R key together and type here control panel and press enter. Select view by tool icons and select indexing options. Select the advanced option over here and select the rebuild option and select OK, and the rebuild will start over here guys. After getting indexing complete, we just need to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 5, we just need to press Windows key and I key together. On left side, select privacy and security. On right side, select searching Windows and set this to enhanced. And now we just need to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 6, you just need to press Windows key and R key together. Check my video description for this run command, just to copy and paste it and click on OK. And make sure this advanced is checked and select next, and this will start troubleshooting. Can't start a search or see results, and select next, and this will fix your problem guys. If all of these method doesn't fix the problem, then you just need to open up Chrome and search how to create a new user account in Windows 11 and select any one of these videos. After creating the new user account, the problem should be fixed guys. More people has shared on Reddit, and that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.